Let's see it here. This is going to be our 2021 Topps WWE Finest Wrestling Hobby 8-box case 16 spot random mini box break. That is not a mouthful whatsoever. This is going to be plenty of fun and my first look at some Topps Finest. Here we go. Let me just double check this. It doesn't hurt to double check one extra time. Brent, Chase, Jeff has 8. Kevin, Leland is a pair. Mark, Megan, and then that is Rungro K. Awesome. Let's get to it. Nine times. Really? I'm sorry, Cobra. Maybe we can get that figured out. 9 times. And there we go. 9 times with 9 sitting all the way at the top. That'll be 11. 11 times. Let's see it. And there we have it. All right. Excuse me. Jeff, you will have the 9th box. Leland G, you will have the 11th box. Kevin H with the 10th. Jeff M, you will have the 5th, 7th, and 8th. Brent N with the 14th. Leland G with the 13th. Chase M with the 3rd. Mark B with the 12th. Rungro K with the 2nd. Megan N with the 4th. And then Jeff, you will have those final 2. And you will also have the very first one and the 6th as well. Before every mini box, I will yell out who's got which one. Brian, I got this group break right here. I can do that one first thing after. So let's get to a fun case break. Here we go. Let's see it. And there's our last 2. All right. I'm thinking about how I'm even going to do this. So there's 16 mini boxes. I think I'm just going to go as in it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I think that's the easiest way to do it. Let's get going. This will be number 1, then number 2. I'm going to do the best I can to make the box in front the odd number every time. So, right here, this is number 1. That'll be number 2. Box number 1 is going to be for Jeff. Good luck. First mini box of the break. Getting us started, Naomi, Carrillo. That'll be a Mace to 150. Sasha Banks. And an Otis. Rookie, Mace. Oh, yeah, it was just the trade deadline. Greatness, Big Bam Bigelow. I'm curious, Fuzz. Let's find out. Rookie, Timothy Thatcher. Indy's a rookie. All right. Ray Ripley, Legacies. T-Bar and Omos. Rumble Pops, AJ Styles. Mandy Rose, and that'll be Dakota Kai. 1099 Roman Reigns. Another Dakota Kai. All right. Roman Refractor. Okay. So this is box number 2. This is going to be for Run Grow K. Gonna be a die cut? Yeah. Undertaker, that's sick. Undertaker die cut. Uncrowned Greatness, Roddy Piper. Bobby Lashley. Becky Lynch. Aliyah. Kofi Kingston. Another Kofi and a Mace rookie. Sami Zayn. Sheamus and a Bailey. Yeah, I saw that, 2 different people. Zayn. All right, there you have it, stack number 2. Chase, you'll be up next with stack number 3. All right, that's going to be 3. And the one in the back is number 4. Number 3 is for Chase. Good luck, Chase. John Cena. Nice refractor. Ravishing Rick Rude. Asuka. Refractor. Hoping for nice low numbered pieces. Let's see if we can find one. Mandy Rose Legacies. That'll be an Aziz rookie. Commander Aziz. Boogs rookie. Rumble Pops, Diesel, Carmella, and Ricochet. Michael, no problem. Sure can do. And let's see your auto. Amos. Keith Lee and AJ Styles. Rookie auto. Amos. Omos. Amos. OMOS. Omos. That is stack number 3. Stack number 4 is for Megan. Should I say mini box number 4, not stack. Well, once I'm done opening the mini box, then it becomes a stack of cards. Let me just cross it off. There we go. 4. Really? Almost. There we go. And another nice die cut there. Undertaker. And a Reggie rookie. Junkyard Dog. Zane. Belair. And Mr. Perfect. Roman Reigns, The Miz. As for your auto, that'll be Johnny Gargano, numbered to just 25.
Rebel Heart?
Adam Cole refractor.
Baby.
I mean, have you thought about jumping in and just doing this break yourself?
He's got stuff he's got
Okay.
John, or I would.
The Belair? Okay.
The trade card breaks, like the ones we did that were just divisions. Take them out and put them in a package, right? That would be fun. Oh, yeah. Yep, so I'm gonna do it. Thank you. Good luck, John.
All right. Thank you. All right. Number 5 is for Jeff, and number 6 is for Jeff as well. So Jeff is basically just going to take this box for himself. 5 and 6. Let's see it. Domi to the Hurricanes, really? Okay. Another Undertaker and a Mace rookie. They made 3 trades today, really. Another Belair. That looks cool. Sheamus and Bailey. Curious to see if they ended up trading Craig Anderson or not. Nikki Ash to 75. Jeff Hardy, Owens, and Nakamura. Nice numbered piece. Bobby Lashley. Asuka. That'll be Dakota Kai. Another auto in this break. Ricochet, Carmella, and R-Truth. I'm hoping to find something in this case numbered to 10 or less. This one is for Jeff as well. Let me actually separate the stacks, though. I do have to do that. I still can't believe the Ristolainen trade and signing from Philly. Mr. Perfect number to 25. This is stack number 6, or should I say box number 6.
Has there been any crazy deals?
I don't know if there's been really any crazy ones so far today. Domi's a decent trade. Number to 25. $1 Million Man. Reggie rookie. John Cena base card. Dawkins and a Finn Balor. Titus O'Neil. All right. The Miz. That's going to be Drew McIntyre to 50. That's a photo. I think they got his good side on that photo. There you go, Jeff. Cool looking piece. Up next is box number 7, or mini box number 7. And Jeff is actually going to have 7 and 8 again. 7 and 8. Well, Jeff gets both these boxes. Doesn't really matter the order, but let's see what we can get you. This is 7. Strong, Foley, Thatcher rookie, and Alexander. Yeah, no Bliss. Gotta find one. That's going to be the Miz Legacies Auto. Hardy and R-Truth. Oh, that's awesome. He does the Cash Money sign. Signs Cash Money. Love it. Jeff. Nice. It is not numbered, but take it. DeVille to 150. There's an Alexa Bliss. DeVille to 150. James Drake. Adam Cole. R-Truth with that John Cena Legacies. All right. Number 8 is for Jeff as well. Let's see it. Yeah, you never know. Titus O'Neil. Randy Orton. Another Undertaker die cut. Scott Hall.
Passed away.
Oh, really? Cena refractor. The Scott Hall. Ford.
Not the new ones, but the old ones. Most of them? Okay. Yeah. I have a working knowledge in most. Bret Hart's the greatest wrestler I've ever lived. Nobody can ever prove me wrong, so that's where I stand.
Yeah, that's recent.
Just one. Thank you.
Lex Luger. T-Bar, rookie. Robert Roode. Auto. Another Roode as well, and a Becky Lynch. Really? It's from Orchard Park? No way. That's awesome. Luger's from Orchard Park?
Sounds right.
Cool. All right, up next is number 9. Jeff, that is you again. Let's see what we get. All right, that's going to be number 9, and then right there is number 10. Number 9 is for Jeff. Aziz. That'll be Rollins to 99. Seth Rollins to 99. Jerry the King Lawler. Charlotte Flair. Cruz, or should I say Cross? The Miz Legacies. Triple H and AJ Styles. And let's see that auto. That's going to be Angelo Dawkins to 50. Evans and a Reggie rookie. Angelo Dawkins. Number 10 is for Kevin H. I want to see something numbered to 10 or less. That's what I want. It's a case, man. Something. Anything. Another Undertaker. Bianca Belair. Beefcake. That's a name. Cesaro. Hulk Hogan. Coolio. Well, there you go. Kevin. Kevin H. Cool one. Adam Cole. And that is going to be Rikishi, Uncrowned Greatness Auto. Unnumbered. Cool. Nice Belair Refractor and an Alexa Bliss. Cool. Nice Hulk Hogan. Up next is 11 for Leland G. $11 is Leland G. And then 12 is Mark B. Again, 11 is the front, 12 is the back. 11, 12. Here we go, Leland G. Bobby Ashley to 99. Rikishi.
Change it on this sheet just so it's correct.
T-Bar. Roman Reigns. Oh, that's actually awesome. The Rock and Roman Reigns. It's actually so cool. Rey Mysterio. And Leland. One more. Ember Moon to 99. Gibson. Scarlett Ziggler. Really? Man, I hope the Stars can make a nice playoff push. I'll be fun. Again, this is number 12. This is for Mark B. Cool. Another Undertaker. Steamboat. Yeah, getting some of the same rookies, and that's going to be Indy Hartwell. Number to 25 in a refractor T-bar rookie. Take a nice insert rookie. And a nice low numbered one to just 25, Indy Hartwell. Carmella. Asuka. Indy Hartwell. And another Omos rookie refractor. All right, number 13 is up next for Leland G. Leland G. And then it is Brent. Leland and Brent. That is 13, and that is 14. 13.
Just so we can get these mini boxes back.
Yeah, those are all good to go.
Yeah, I got some. They're all good to go. Thank you.
Number to 150, Danny Burch. Alexa base card. Bianca Belair. Tazawa. Jeez. Dave Mastiff. Cena. And another Hartwell rookie. Rumble Pops. And one more here for you, Leland. Candice LeRae, Tegan Knox, Thatcher, and Alexander. Candice LeRae. Alrighty. Brent. Let's see it. Ah, interesting. Fall of Mankind. Cena base card. Tony Storm. Jeff Hardy. Storm. And your auto? Dakota Kai. Number to 50. Austin Theory. Oh, dear Lord. Is that the case? Alrighty. This is 15 and 16. They are both for Jeff. And then I got to get to a couple of personals. And hopefully if that Spectra football sells out, we can do it very, very soon. Again, I believe it is Brian and Michael are the two personals I have coming up. If anybody else has one, let me know. Hopefully so. Shirai to 75. Mariota to the Falcons. Cool. Good for him. Good for Mariota. Always liked Marcus Mariota. That'll be a Becky Lynch number to 50. There you go. What do you know? Becky coming at you. All right, one last mini box. Jeff. Number to 150, Gargano. Rikishi. All right, one last auto.
You can just put the cards in here because they got, yeah.
It's going to be Chad Gable.
Two that are left. He's in all of them.
Chad Gable. There we are. Case up and down just like that. Hope everybody enjoyed. Get this uploaded. Get some more personal soon. Thank you.